Glory to Jesus Christ. Glory to the God forever. So, in case we have a program on all the Windows operating system, like for example Windows 7 or Windows 8, and we have this program iZotope Ozone Advanced 9. So, and it does not start, or does not work, does not start, or just splash, or hanging. So we need this file to download. So just write in Google my C++ 2015 x86. So this is for Windows 64 bits, so it's enough to install 86. Version is 14, as you see. This is we need. Sometimes it can happen that we need also to add it to the starting folder of the exe file. This one, we need to add also this file. We can download it from web freely with no problems, and it works with no problems. So such a manual you have.